one of these students from the Mustache Mustangs. They competed against 74 teams from 32 different states in 17 different countries, and they placed in what place? First place in the world!
I didn't know what to do since this is my first year. I was just in shock.
In shock because Nic Davala and his Mustache Mustang teammates finished #1 in the world at the Destination Imagination Global Finals in Kansas City, Missouri over the weekend.
I couldn't really be excited if I didn't know what was happening and I didn't know we got first. Afterwards, when I found out we got first, I was pretty excited though.
And on Tuesday, they were honored in front of their North Salisbury classmates and Superintendent Dr. Donna Hanlon, Assistant Superintendent Rick Briggs, Mayor Jake Day, among other dignitaries.
I'm really excited and I'm super proud that we found out that we're actually the first one to be first in Wicomico County.
Bella, Nick, Kate, and Bella placed first in the Elementary Division Scientific Challenge and were also given the Renaissance Award for exceptional technical skills and creativity.
It's so different, like I've never won globals, and so like to be able to take it back to Wicomico County and be like the first team, that's pretty exciting.
Most of all, these 4 fifth graders, it was an honor to show what the North Salisbury Mustangs are all about. World champs.
Felt good to show everyone here how hard and how much time and effort we spent in working on this and presenting it to everybody.
At North Salisbury Elementary School, Paul Butler, Wicomico County Public Schools.